Hey y'all, I'm here with a project share. This is the loaded flip box and embellishments swap for loaded envelopes galore and more. This swap was hosted by Scrap the World, and you had to follow her tutorial and make this loaded flip box and fill it with embellishments. So it sits up like this. Of course, you can't really see much because I have a bird's eye view going on with my camera, but I added some feet to it. I think these are the ones from Hobby Lobby, and these corners, and I made these flowers with a die, some tassels. I added some trim and this twine, which is how the tassels are there. And then I decided to use magnets for the closure. You can kind of hear it slipping down. And so this is a digital paper that I purchased from Etsy. All of this paper came together. I'll link it in the description box below. So here is the box. And you had to make a pack of flowers, a pack of tassels, and 2 additional embellishments. So here are the tassels I made. They match the ones on the box, but I've added bows to them with a little pearl in the center. And I'm reusing this packaging from a previous swap that I've done. And here's a package of flowers. They're the same die as is on the box, and I did them in a different paper. It's a paper that still matches the collection, but it's a little bit different paper so you can see more pink and blue. And I did them in a variety of sizes. Some of them I put these little stamens in, and the rest I put a pearl in. And then I made these 3 flowers. That's using this trim right here that I cut in half and then just glued around on this punched out circle. And I put different centers. This is a large pearl, and this is a pink rhinestone. All of that came from Hobby Lobby. And then I made these little ribbon bows. This is that traditional fork tutorial that you can find many of them on YouTube. So I actually used a fork and 3/8 inch ribbon. Most of it is that gross grain, and then this is kind of like organza. I can't think of what the other name for it may be, but it's ribbon, but it's like an organza material. So that is all I have for today. I will link the tutorial for Tamika's flip box in the description box below. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you.